Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sachin Bobe, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry in Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya Chapuli, and today I am going to start the new topic, name reactions. In these reactions, we can study the number of name reactions, but before these name reactions, I will explain some basic concept of chemistry. Firstly, I am going to explain the basic difference between aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde means C, for example, acetaldehyde CH3 single bond C double bond OH. In this, the carbonyl group is directly attached to at least one of the hydrogen atoms are known as aldehyde. For example, acetaldehyde. In carbonyl group adjacent to the carbonyl carbon are alpha carbon. Similarly, ketone. In ketone, the carbonyl group may be attached to same or different alkyl group are known as ketone. The best example is acetone. Then I will start the first name reactions. Benzoin condensation reactions. In benzoin condensation reactions, y- you can take 2 moles of benzaldehyde in the presence of base potassium cyanide, formation of alpha hydroxy benzoin. It's also known as benzoins. See, in this reaction, the starting component is aldehyde without alpha hydrogen. Whenever these two benzaldehyde molecules reacting with each other undergo condensation, formation of the product is benzoin. It is also called as alpha hydroxy benzoin. See, the mechanism of this reaction is, firstly, as we know, potassium cyanide, the dissociation of potassium cyanide is K plus and Cn minus. In this reaction, one thing it is more important, the potassium cyanide acts as good leaving group, cyanide acts as good electron withdrawing group, and cyanide acts as nucleophile. The first step is cyanide attack on carbonyl group of first moles of aldehyde, formation of alkoxide ion. Whenever this formation of alkoxide ion, the cyanide acts as electron withdrawing group, transfer of this hydrogen towards this oxygen, formation of carbanion ion. In second step, this carbanion ion acts as nucleophile. As you know, nucleophile always attack on carbonyl group of aldehyde, then formation of unstable product, cyanohydrin unstable product. Whenever this formation of unstable product, the hydroxy group of first cyanohydrin transfer the hydrogen towards second moles of alkoxide ion. The migration of hydrogen atom, whenever this migration of hydrogen atom, the cyanide is best leaving group, formation of benzoin. I mean to say that whenever migration of hydrogen atom, cyanide acts as electron withdrawing group, transfer of this lone pair towards this carbon of carbonyl group of cyanide, formation of benzene. See, the most important condition in this reaction is the potassium cyanide play three roles. First role is cyanide acts as good leaving group, cyanide acts as good electron withdrawing group, and cyanide acts as nucleophile. This is the second reaction is Novengel condensation reaction. Novengel reaction. In this reaction, as we know, condensation means a reaction between two components which obtain the product P with elimination of water molecule. Such types of reactions are called as condensation reactions. In Noether reaction, the benzaldehyde molecule reacting with active methylene compound like malonic ester in the presence of base, weak base, pyridine or triethyl ammonia, trialkylamine, formation of alpha beta unsaturated compound with elimination of water molecule. See in this condensation reaction, very simple step. The first step is the mechanism of this reaction. The first step is, firstly, as you know, active methylene compound means two electron withdrawing group attach of this CH2 group. The first step is the function of base is abstraction of alpha hydrogen from this active methylene compound, formation of carbanion and trialkyl amine. As you know, in this second step, whenever this formation of carbanion, these carbanion attack on second moles of aldehyde, second moles of aldehyde of carbonyl group, formation of unstable compound, unstable alkoxide ion. Whenever formation of this unstable alkoxide ion, in third step protonation will be takes place and formation of hydroxide alpha beta unsaturated hydroxy compound undergo dehydration, formation of unsaturated alpha beta ester. Whenever hydrolysis of this alpha beta unsaturated compound, whenever hydrolysis of this alpha beta unsaturated ester, formation of acid. Whenever heating of this molecule, removal of CO2 molecule means decarboxylation takes place in this molecule, formation of alpha beta unsaturated acid. The simple step of this reaction is, in this reaction, benzaldehyde is reacting with active methylene compound in the presence of base, weak base, trialkylamine or pyridine, formation of alpha beta unsaturated compound. It is your product. The mechanism of this reaction is, first step, the function of base, abstraction of alpha proton, formation of carbanion. Second step is, this carbanion acts as nucleophile, attack on second moles of aldehyde, formation of alkoxide ion. In third step, protonation will be takes place, undergo dehydration takes place, formation of alpha beta unsaturated ester. Whenever this formation of alpha beta unsaturated ester undergo hydrolysis will be takes place, whenever formation of acid undergo decarboxylation, formation of alpha beta unsaturated compound, that is your product, cinnamic acid. The third reaction is Manish reaction. The Manish reaction is more important. In this reaction, condensation of ketone containing at least one of the alpha hydrogen atom with with secondary amines and formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is the common component in this reaction. In the presence of acid catalyzed reaction, formation of beta amino carbonyl compound. In this is your product. The simple steps of Manish reaction is, the mechanism of this reaction is, first step, in this first step, formation of iminian cation. As you know, the lone pair present on nitrogen atom of secondary amine, the lone pair attack on carbonyl group of aldehyde. Whenever this lone pair attack on this carbonyl group, formation of iminium cation. Whenever this formation of iminian cation, in second step, whenever formation of iminium cation acts as electrophile. See step second, formation of Manish base. In this reaction, whenever attack of H plus on carbonyl group of ketone, formation of enol. Whenever this formation of enol, the transfer of lone pair of oxygen towards this carbon atom and this double bond attack on this ammonium cation, formation of Manish base like beta amino carbonyl compound. Sim- Simple step of this reaction is, in first step, formation of ammonium cation from starting component aldehyde and secondary amine. Whenever this formation of ammonium cation, second step is formation of enol. In H plus catalyzed acid attack on carbonyl group of ketone, formation of enol. Whenever this formation of enol, this attack on ammonium cation, formation of your product beta amino carbonyl compound. This step is very important. Third step, next reaction is Perkin reaction, Perkin condensation reaction. In this reactions, condensation of aldehyde and ketone, condensation of aromatic aldehyde with aliphatic anhydride in the presence of sodium salt of acid, formation of alpha beta unsaturated acid. It is called as Perkin reaction. Step of reaction is the acid anhydride should have at least two alpha hydrogen atom. As you say, when benzaldehyde molecule is reacting with acetic anhydride in the presence of sodium salt, formation of cinnamic acid. That is your product. Byproduct with acid. The mechanism of this reaction is, the first step, as you know. First step, as you know, the function of base is abstraction of proton from acetic anhydride molecule, formation of carbanion. Whenever abstraction of proton from acetic anhydride, formation of carbanion. As you know, the second step is this carbanion acts as nucleophile, always attack on carbonyl group of electrophile. This carbanion attack on second moles of aldehyde molecule, benzaldehyde molecule, formation of alkoxide ion. Whenever formation of this alkoxide ion, again third step, protonation will be takes place. Whenever protonation takes place, formation of this unstable product undergo dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water molecule, formation of this unstable product. In last step, hydrolysis of this unstable product, formation of alpha beta unsaturated acid. It is also called as cinnamic acid. Byproduct is acid. The summary of this reaction is, benzaldehyde molecule is reacting with acetic anhydride in the presence of weak base sodium salt of acid, formation of cinnamic acid. The mechanism of this reaction is, first step is common. The function of base is abstraction of acidic hydrogen atom from acetic anhydride, formation of carbanion. Whenever this formation of carbanion, this carbanion is always attack on carbonyl group of aldehyde, formation of alkoxide ion. Then again third step, protonation will be takes place on this unstable alkoxide ion, formation of alpha beta unsaturated compound. In last step, hydrolysis of this alpha beta unsaturated ester, formation of acid plus acetic acid. The next reaction is Reformatsky reaction. In this reaction, alpha halo ester is reacting with aldehyde, aldehyde or ketone carbonyl compound, formation of beta hydroxy ester. In this reaction, aldehyde is reacting with alpha halo ester in the presence of base zinc. In second is acidic condition, formation of beta hydroxy ester C. The best example is acetaldehyde is reacting with alpha halo ester in the presence of zinc. And second is acid catalyzed, formation of beta hydroxy ethyl acetate. In this reaction, zinc acts as base. See in these reactions, in first step, alpha bromoethyl acetate is reacting with zinc. Zinc acts as base. The transfer of zinc towards this carbonyl group of ester, formation of organozinc intermediate. Whenever this formation of organozinc intermediate, it is like a Grignard reagent, acts as Grignard reagent, because zinc metal always acts as positive charge and carbon acts as nucleophile. This attack on second moles of aldehyde molecule, formation of unstable product, undergo hydrolysis, formation of beta hydroxy ester plus zinc bromohydroxide. In these reactions, whenever this formation of bromo-zinc ester, it acts as like a Grignard reagent, alkyl magnesium halide. In alkyl magnesium halide, alkyl group always acquire negative charge because magnesium acts as metal. In addition to the magnesium, carbon acts as nucleophile.